The Billion Homplug Ethernet adapter set, proper model number BiPAC P104, solves one of our biggest frustrations with Homeplug adapters, that of fitting in plug sockets near the ground. The instructions of most adapters recommend plugging directly into the wall and not using the 4-gang adapters that most of us have for our computers. The problem is that as most sockets are near the floor, it isn't possible to fit the adapter in, much less plug a network cable in the bottom. Now these BiPAC 2071 adapters are different because they each come with replaceable plugs. You can see here this is a traditional one, as you would find on most adapters. With a quick release system it can be removed and then replaced with one that works the other way up, giving plenty of clearance in a normal plug socket. Other than that, installation is very simple. There's a sync button to press on each device once it's connected to the mains, and then the adapters work as if there was a proper network between the two devices. We also found that once this sync button had been pressed once, the devices could be unplugged from the mains and then reconnected without having to repeat it again. Now Billion claim that these adapters are also more resistant to interference on the ring main, such as lights being switched on or off. There's a standby mode to help conserve power that kicks in as soon as the adapters detect that the device plugged into them has been switched off. And Billion say that they worked with all versions of Windows from '98 and later. Now we also connected a computer running Linux to one of these devices and we didn't have any trouble at all. Price-wise, we found both cheaper and more expensive Homeplug kits on the web, so we think that the Billion P104 pack is a really good buy thanks to these clever plug adapters.